Here's how you create and save your own document on Comic Life. First, click on Comic Life. Then, you get to choose any template you want from the following categories: Built-in Blank, Built-in Creative, Built-in Education, Built-in How-To, or Built-in Life Stories. Now, let's say that you want to create a comic all about winter. Click on the template. Then, you insert your name here and today's date, and now it's time to save. Click on File, Save As, and then type in Winter Comic, and then save. And that is how you create and save a document on Comic.